On this episode,
I'll be at the game on.
All right. Thank you. Good one, Kay. Thank you. I've been getting got for the last 2 weeks.
Oh, Mikey Bags, how you doing, Candy Crew?
I'm not in California. What do you want me to do? I'm home.
Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? We got this jersey for $1.
And then soft in another way. I haven't done a sellout here in years. I used to do them in West Hills with my mom's.
Okay. Oh, I like this. Okay, so do you know how much you charge me for all 4 of these items?
Huh?
You know how much?
She said 15 for the this, right?
Yes.
Just give me $5 for this.
Okay, so 20 bucks?
Yeah. Can be that.
Okay, that's a good deal. It's a vintage Marlins jersey. How much y'all think I'm selling it for? I put it on offer up. Well, I listed the jersey for 70 bucks and we're taking the best offer of $55. And I only paid $1. Come on, let's get that shmoney. All right, y'all, let's go sell this jersey. He already asked me to try it on. Like, do y'all let y'all customers try on stuff? Hi, you for the jersey? That's taut. There it goes.
I don't even know who 23 is.
I forgot.
No, 20 was Pedro. That's the one I was looking for.
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
All right.
Yeah. I'm going next week. Well, this weekend.
Oh,
I'll
to
be
a
at
game?
the game on. They play Milwaukee. Detroit plays Milwaukee.
Oh.
I'll be at the game.
Oh,
so.
wear the jersey.
That's what I'm wearing.
All right, that's dope.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy.
All right, thank you.
$55, y'all. Let's get this money. All right, Candy Crew, so I got this fan for $5. Y'all just saw me get it out my storage, and it's sold on eBay for $65 plus shipping. Do y'all pick up fans? Comment down below. Let me know. All right, let's slap this label on there and it's good to go. All right, Candy Crew, the fan is dropped off. It's a nice day outside, to be honest. It's really nice. Now it's time to go to the post office to mail out the other packages. Wait, look what I'm by. Jail lobby. It's time to go. All right, Candy Crew, we just made it to the post office. Right now, I'm dropping off this VHS. It's sold for 20 bucks and I paid like $1/4 for it. You cannot beat that. Hey, don't sleep on VHS. They don't take up much space for storage and they sell for huge profit. It may take some time or whatever, but hey, get your money, Candy Crew, so I just made it to the tent place. Oh my God, y'all. Look what I did to the Prius window. Wait, look. Now I have to get the tent done over. Wow. I have to dry the van. I messed up the window, y'all. Guess how much it costs to get my back window and my side window replaced, the tent? Guess. Mind you, just a replacement on 2 windows. $150.
What?
I'm not putting nothing else in this car that can scratch my window. $150? They lucky. I want my windows fixed. $150? So let's get this fixed right now.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future brings.
Candy Crew, you guys, I'm gonna be honest. This is the first time this ever happened to me. So don't judge me, but I do a lot of handy stuff around the house. And I'm changing the toilet seat covers. Y'all, I opened the box. I'm scared to touch it again. I'm gonna just show you. I gotta show y'all though, cause I can't make this up. Why is the toilet seat cover used? And they put it back in the box. This is disgusting and I'm touching it. I'm about to bleach my hands. Look at this. Wait, let me put up a little more. Look at this nasty shit. Look at this. They returned a used toilet. And Home Depot sold me a new, as new. I'm sorry, but Lowe's sold me this. I can't make this up. I've been getting got for the last 2 weeks. All right, Candy Crew, we finally selling this bike. I need to rinse it off. Let me do that before I meet up with him. Hold on. Might just need air in the tires, but it's an older bike. That's why I put it for $25. All right, thank you. Candy Crew, look who came through again. I was looking all over for these shoes. The buyer's waiting. Uncle Stevie came through. Say what's up to Candy Crew.
What's up, Candy Crew? Peace out.
Let me go sell these right now. Oh yeah, almost forgot to tell you. I got these shoes from the Goodwill bins, and I'm selling them for 30 bucks on OfferUp. You John? Yes. Okay. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Have a good one, Kay. Thank you. Alright, so y'all, Candy Crew, y'all, why I sold a CD, one CD, I paid a quarter for $35, and that was the best offer. Hey, you can't beat that. $35 from a quarter. Have a good one. All right, you too. Thank you.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chance?
Y'all, we on our way to Vegas. We stopped in Barstow because look who wanted something to snack on. He not even paying attention.
What? What's up, Candy Crew?
Uncle Stevie wanted some snacks. Even though I brought some healthy snacks, he said, get somebody else to do it. All right, Vegas, we'll see y'all soon.
Empty-handed, you like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me.
3 hours later.
Candy Crew. We've been out here since 7. It's now 10:28. Uncle, how many sales have we went to?
11.
And what have we found?
Nothing.
Y'all, it's not my day out here in Vegas. All right, let's go to the Swapmeet. Wow. Candy Crew, we at Sonny and Mikey's booth.
We got down here, we were cool.
So you do any reselling yourself? Any collecting?
He just helps me a lot. Whenever I go to the flea market, he's my right hand, Uncle Stevie. Candy Crew, look who we got again.
Oh, Mikey Bags, how you doing, Candy Crew?
Yes.
Yes, thank you for coming. Hope you enjoy the flea market at Boulder Highway.
Yes, thank you. Live in the flesh.
Again, this time I'm not in California. I'm home.
Yes.
And we got Miss Candy Crew here. Ladies and gents, I know you're following your show, but you really need to follow this person. Amazing, inspiring, motivating, and she's good people.
Y'all make sure y'all follow Sonny as well, okay? Go tap in, Sonny and Mikey. Make sure y'all, and he just started his channel. Make sure y'all tap in. It'll be all link in the bio. Yes, get that money.
Cleaning your car, that's exercise.
I do clean my car. I go through the machine and I vacuum it myself. So please.
You go through the machine. I'm talking about washing it yourself.
That's not considered washing a car myself. And around here, we normally chasing after new deals year round, but today we having a garage sale. Check it out. Look at Kingston. Hey, Kingston. Hey. Say hi, Candy Crew. Oh. That laughing taffy, that laughing taffy.